Hi there. Welcome to our course on how to use information tables in technical and business writing. First off, let me clarify that this is not an Excel course that describes how to manipulate data in an Excel table or apply functions to it. There are plenty more courses for that. But this is about displaying information in tables in our technical and business documents. Sometimes I see these tables that are not constructed well, and if your table does not display information properly, it will not create a positive and happy user experience, and your readers and users will feel lost as to what you are trying to communicate. So in this course, I have outlined the main principles that I myself have used for all these years as a technical writer for Fortune 100 companies. So I hope you will benefit from them and you will become a much better communicator. See you in the class.